Today I want to show you a system I have named OracleAGI. It's an advanced prompt engineering system that involves 25 plus chain prompts and AI agents. The name OracleAGI comes from that in this case we use 8 different expert agent personas that will evaluate, create and look at an idea or a problem. So let's just take a look at the concept of the system. I'm gonna try to explain this system as good as I can, so we're just gonna take it kind of step by step. So you can see OracleAGI, we start off with 25 plus chain prompts. This is of course customable, so let me just show you here on Visual Code Studio. So you can see here are all the prompts I have designed for the system. So there's a whole bunch of different prompts here and personas. So we just gonna take a look at one of them because they are quite similar. If we take a look at this one, you can see your name is Agent 1. You're an expert in business, finance and strategy. You hold an MBA for Harvard Business School and your background in finance. As a strategic thinker, you're known for your ability to decipher complex business problems. Okay, so you get the point, right? All of these agents have different personas that will range over a wide kind of different skills set that kind of needs to be related to what you want to do. I think that's a good idea. So if you want business idea generation, you kind of want business people, marketing people. As you can see here, we have a digital marketing pioneer. So we get some representatives ideas from different kind of backgrounds. That's the whole idea, right? And then we move on to your ID. So this is the start of the system. We're just gonna give it one ID. This could be a business ID. To make this simple, I kind of created this so I want to brainstorm different ideas. So I given them one example, the agents, a cloud seeding service that lets you book a sunny day for your special outdoor event. That's a crazy idea, right? What is gonna happen now is that this ID is gonna be fed into the system prompt of every agent. So you can see here we have loop 1, 2, 3, 4. Each loop has 2 agents. So loop 1 has 2 business persona agents. Loop 2 has 2 marketing persona agents. They are not exactly similar. They are in the marketing niche. Loop 3 has software persona agents and loop 4 has creative thinker agents. Prompt is gonna be discussed back and forward to brainstorm 3 crazy business ideas. Right? So let's take a look at that, how this works when we run this now. So I have some completed things here. So you can see here are the first loop. Hello Agent 1, I'm Master Agent. Let's start our assignment. Let's dive into brainstorming 3 crazy out of the box super creative business ideas. So here you can see the one agent comes up with 3 different ideas. Holographic memory store, telepathic social network, time travel tourism. It gives it a crazy scale and a TLDR. Right, and the agent is just gonna go back and forward here, trying to come up with some ideas. Okay, so they decided to submit these 3 IDs and they saved it to a file called newid.txt. And that is basically the first part. So all loops are gonna go through the cycle we just took a look at, and they're gonna submit their improved IDs or their IDs to a new file. Then we kind of start all over again. We're gonna feed all those improved IDs, right, back into, so this is kind of the 5th loop, but we're just gonna use the same loop and the same personas again. But now they are fed, instead of my original ID, they are fed 3 different improved IDs. They're just gonna go through the loop again, but this time we have a different prompt. So we have find correlations from all IDs and discuss back and forward and brainstorm 5 even crazier IDs. So let me find this here so we can take a look at how this works. And here you can see this loop. Let's start our assignments. I've gathered 3 crazy ideas for discuss and brainstorming. Here are they. So we have 3 IDs that were fed into the system prompts, right? And then they're gonna look at those IDs. Let's brainstorm and come up with 5 new IDs together, right? And here you can see they created 5 new IDs from the back of those IDs. So we have a dream exploration service, biofeedback theme park, digital life assistant doppelgangers, ethical dilemma arcade. This was one of my favorites. A gaming arcade filled with interactive experiences that challenge players to navigate complex ethical situations. Crazy scale 85. I think that's kind of even crazier, but anyway, that's what I want to show. So now they are looking at 5 IDs. They're discussing back and forward. I'm going to save this to a new text file. So this is new idea 2. That means that this part of the loop is finished. And remember, those 5 ideas were saved to a new file where we have, so now we're gonna have 20 IDs in this next step. And then we go on to our final loop, and this is gonna be, of course, the same. We're gonna feed those ideas in here, and the prompt here is gonna be from all the improved ideas, discuss back and forward and pick 3 favorite crazy ideas. Right? So basically the recipe is the same again, it's just another loop. So this is gonna be loop 12, right? So they are gonna pick out 3 ideas from those 20. Let me find an example of that. So you can see here, what do you think about these ideas, Master Agent? Which one should we include in our top 3? You can see here we include, I considered all of them. Here are the top 3 I think stand out. Earth to space elevator, instant food replicator, future map brain implants. So these were the one agent's favorite, and the other agent has basically the same, or he looked at them and they kind of agreed on those 3 ideas, and they were saved to a new text file, right? Okay, so that means that we have completed this loop. So every single loop is gonna select 3 new ideas, and we're gonna save those. So that's gonna be 4 times 3, so 12 ideas to crazyideas.txt. And from the best crazy ideas above, write a well-structured list of the 5 most crazy best ranked out of the box ideas. And that is a simple prompt we have at the end to, it can be a bit unstructured. So when we run this, we kind of end up with this. So you can see here 5 different ideas. That is kind of well structured with the crazy scale and title and the TLDR of each idea, right? And that was basically the whole idea behind this OracleAGI system I created. I had a lot of fun creating this, but I really recommend running it on ChatGPT Turbo. You could do it on GPT-4, but it's gonna take you like 40 minutes because there are 25 chain prompts, and it's gonna cost you like $6-7. So please do ChatGPT 3.5 if you want to test this out. The good thing about it is I have not explored it fully yet. So I'm gonna try to set it up so we can do some more reasoning advanced problem with this. I think it has actually some interesting properties that we are gonna explore more. But yeah, basically that is the OracleAGI. If you want to try this out, I'm probably gonna upload this to my GitHub repo on my YouTube membership. Just wanted to quickly plug my YouTube membership where we have over 45 videos now. We have tutorials for script like the one I'm using today. Check out the link in the description below. Let's go back to the video. So follow the link in the description if you're interested in trying it out for yourself. Because there's a lot of text here if you want to write all of this yourself. But it's pretty simple to set up. And yeah, thank you for tuning in. I think you should give this a shot, and I'll see you in the next one.